Here's the list of key terminology from EASA Module 6 hot working process. 1. Ingot, a large solid block of metal cast into a specific shape, usually the starting point for rolling or forging. 2. Soaking pit, a furnace designed to retain heat, allowing the molten interior of an ingot to solidify uniformly. 3. Bloom, a rolled steel shape with section dimensions of 6 inches or larger, and approximately square. 4. Billet, a smaller rolled shape, less than 6 inches times 6 inches in section dimensions, and approximately square. 5. Slab, a rectangular section where the width is more than twice the thickness, used for rolling into sheets. 6. Hot working, the process of shaping metal above its recrystallization temperature, allowing for easier deformation without cracking. 7. Cold working, shaping or forming metal at or near room temperature, which increases hardness and strength but can make it brittle. 8. Forging, a mechanical process where metal is shaped by pressing or hammering at high temperatures. 9. Press forging, a method of forging using slow-acting pressure to uniformly shape larger parts. 10. Hammer forging, a rapid impact method of shaping smaller metal pieces by hammering, affecting primarily the surface. 11. Smith forging, a small-scale forging process done manually to create high-precision parts. 12. Tempering, a heat treatment process in which hardened steel is reheated to reduce brittleness and improve toughness. 13. Annealing, heating and slowly cooling metal to relieve internal stresses, soften the metal, and refine its grain structure. 14. Normalizing, a process applied to iron-based metals where the metal is heated, held at a uniform temperature, and then air-cooled to relieve stresses. 15. Work hardening, the process in which metal becomes harder and stronger due to deformation at cold temperatures. 16. Shock resistance, the ability of a material to absorb and withstand sudden forceful impacts or stresses. 17. Critical temperature range, the temperature range within which metal transformations, such as recrystallization or phase changes, occur during heating or cooling processes. Please stay tuned for more content on EASA Module 6. If you like this type of content, let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, and comment.